Hello everyone, welcome to Country Handyman. Today, boots. Might see some my nose. You might see some boot reviews videos here and there. Got lots of boots. My can't even remember the name of them. My Justin work boots video kind of got a little bit big, kind of up there on my channel viewing, so, or most viewed videos on my channel, so I'm going to be reviewing some boots that I have to put them out there. These are the Ariat boots, style 10018689, that doesn't really matter, size 9 in US. I hate them. Straight up hate them. Put them on in the store, walked around in them, that my heel snapped in like they're supposed to. I had wiggle room with my toes. I don't like them to pinch my toes. But my heel snapped in. I thought these things were going to be amazing. It has this fabric right here that looks like it'll just breathe and not get my feet all sweaty. Here's the problem. Sole's terrible and the slant. You might see in a Durango boot video where I throw these things up. Oh, horrible. Horrible. It's just like it's like a high heel. It's like wearing a high heel. It puts a lot of pressure on the balls of your feet. I don't like that. I'm not meant for that. I grew up wearing tennis shoes. Got me a couple of cowboy boots. Thought they were the best things ever, more comfortable than tennis shoes, so I got these. Just want to huck them. They're new, obviously. I've tried to take care of them, and I did this thing, this cowboy myth, which I think worked a little. I do think it worked, so maybe it's not a myth. Soak it in hot water for 10 minutes, get the leather all soaked up. Put on thick socks, maybe your winter socks or whatever. Walk. I walked till they were semi-dry and then drove around in them so that I could really try and break them in. And they are more comfortable. I'll give them that. I was able to break them in by doing that. I do wear these to work now. These are my new work boots since the Durangos are kind of going out. But man, they still, with this curve, they still hurt my heels. And I just can't. I think I wore them it's a Tuesday, so I wore them last Friday to work. And then yesterday all day to work. And today at lunch I worked, so that was about 6 hours into my shift. I couldn't do it. I had to take them off and put on my Durangos. Maybe I'm just comparing these things to Durangos and they're not that bad. But I don't like them. They're expensive, still nice looking boots, so I don't know what to do with them. I think I'll keep trying to work in them. Just keep rotating my boots from nice to work to trash. And I don't know, we'll see the future of these things. Basically, don't want them though. Tell me if I'm wrong, tell me if they're comfortable. You might like them. I don't like the soles. I don't have them to review because I just threw them. Anyway, like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you really like the boots and think I'm stupid. Subscribe. See boot reviews, welder reviews, fixing lawnmowers, other cool projects that I'd love to get into because I have tons of tools and I just basically can review them because I'm too broke to buy anything to build or work on, or yeah, love being broke. Anyway, subscribe, like the video. See y'all in the next one.